Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here for the Mountain Weather Information Service. This is your planning outlook video updated on Monday the 6th of August. Now it's a story of sunshine and showers through this week, some heavy bursts in places through the second half of the week, isolated rumbles of thunder around, and got a cool, fresh feel with a westerly breeze across the country. It all looks fairly unsettled into the weekend too. Now, just to show you what's happening with the atmosphere over the next few days, basically it's this trough of cooler air that's moving across the country from the northwest, and once we get cooler air at higher levels in the atmosphere, which is what's shown by the colours on this chart, that's the trigger for instability. It allows clouds to grow, big shower clouds to form, and those downpours to develop, with the risk of thunder and lightning, particularly in the second half of the week as that trough moves its way eastwards across the country. Let's run through the charts then. This is Tuesday, and a weak cold front is moving southeastwards. Just a zone of cloud and patchy rain, maybe the odd shower on that. The main focus for action on Tuesday is the thunderstorms that may well affect the southeast of England later on, but for most of the mountain regions, not a great deal happening. One or two showers coming into the Western Highlands, the central eastern parts of Scotland, looking as though it's a dry and bright day. Into Wednesday, and a front is drifting from west to east. That will just organise the showers for a time across many areas, spreading eastwards with time, and some heavy bursts may well be around. Isolated chance of a rumble of thunder, risk of those maybe more toward the eastern Scottish Highlands, perhaps just over the hills of Wales in the afternoon. Most of the showers won't have that, but that risk is just there. A fairly fresh feel. We've got some cloud breaks to higher tops away from the showers and some sunny spells coming through. A similar story into Thursday. Again, there's the risk of some thunderstorms towards the far southeast of England, but it's more a story of showers across other regions, and those showers heavy, increasingly frequent and widespread through into the afternoon, spreading eastwards, initially across the west coast of Scotland in the morning, transferring inland and east towards the Cairngorms more into the afternoon. Likewise, they'll spread inland across England and Wales, perhaps a bit more scattered here. Across Scotland at times they may merge into more organised periods of rain. Again, sunshine and heavy showers around into Friday, perhaps mostly focused on Scotland again. A bit more scattered perhaps than previous days, but still that risk of a few bursts of rain. And then fronts are starting to edge in from the Atlantic again as we go towards Friday night. Sunshine and bright spells away from the showers, fairly breezy, fairly cool, with the best of sunshine, I suppose, around the coasts into the afternoon. Now I'll go back to this chart for the weekend and beyond. Complications into Friday night and Saturday as that low comes in, but the basic idea is the warm and humid air mass being drawn in from the southwest with a lot of moisture available to give the risk of some heavy rain in places through the weekend. So as we go into Saturday, low pressure is likely to move in across the country. A broad trough in the upper atmosphere is in charge, so areas of rain, persistent rain, some heavy falls and blustery winds around as well. Who just sees the worst of that at this stage? It's hard just to judge, but basically it looks fairly unsettled with showers or longer spells of rain around even through Sunday into perhaps Monday, with a glimmer then that higher pressure from the Azores starts to try and build back in from the southwest as we go into the early days of next week, but we might still find some further weather fronts coming in to western Scotland off the North Atlantic. So we'll leave it there for today. We'll update again before the weekend with those details as they become a bit clearer for this weekend. Of course, always stay up to date with the latest forecasts on our website. The written files updated every day, the 3-day outlook PDFs online for you there. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.